Hi, I'm Amanda from Barhead, and the Canadian Tire Tested for Life in Canada program sent me this Danze Jasper faucet to try out. So obviously I tested this out by doing the dishes, but the whole operation of it is super simple to use. It's very smooth and is definitely one-handed. And for the installation, super simple. There's, once you get all your connections for your wires and everything kind of lined up, this just drops into place. And there are two levers, I guess you could say, that swing out on either side. And then as you tighten them with an Allen key, it tightens everything together. And then this top piece literally just drops onto it, and you just kind of twist it and lock it into place. Now my existing sink did have a handheld separate sprayer, so I simply just got a soap dispenser to kind of fill in the gap type of deal. If there was anything that I would change about this faucet, it would simply be that it had a stay on feature, which it doesn't. But that being said, I would recommend this to my family and friends.